My name's Courtney Bacon. I had Sherry for my midwife here at Rounded Momma, and from start to finish, everything was amazing. It's almost hard to use words to describe, but everything was perfect. I came here because I was seeking an alternative birth plan, an alternative labor, doctor. I wanted everything to be as far from my last two experiences as possible. And yeah, when I came here, Sherry made it seem like it was completely normal, natural, that a VBAC is really not that big of a deal if I'm a good candidate for it, which I was. And I all of a sudden got this overwhelming confidence that I didn't have before. The fear subsided, and I really started to focus on a natural home birth. And then one day my water broke and I was already at home. I had a pretty short labor, but Sherry made it perfectly on time. It was like 12 in the morning when she came and was my biggest support. I did have my husband, but she was like an angel. She flew in and helped me accommodate the pain. And of course, there's times, and I'm sure every mother's labor, where they feel like they can't take it anymore, they're gonna give up, but she just reassured me every single minute, and I can't thank her enough. It makes me really emotional to think about. So, yeah, and as far as aftercare, she was right there and making sure that the baby was great. And everything went perfect. I could say that as painful as it was beautiful, perfect, and I wouldn't have done anything different. It's so worth it to have a midwife, especially Sherry, or really probably anyone here is excellent. So